Hello, and welcome to your introduction to APL, our state-of-the-art commission accounting system. This demo will show you how the system turns complicated, multi-level commission accounting into a simple, structured, efficient process in just a few steps. APL Program Setup. For demonstration purposes, let's assume that we have an insurance agency with producers organized in a hierarchy of 3 levels. The agency receives commission from the carrier with a statement, and we will pay commission to our producers based on their production and the hierarchy. As the first step, let's set up the company. Beginning in Settings, you would input your company information like name and your logo. Then, set up contracts to reflect how your company is organized. For this demo, I have 3 examples here: the producer, the manager, and the agency at the top. There is no limit to the number of levels you can have, and you can name them whatever you like. Next, you would set up products, which can be associated with their respective carriers. We are assuming that each product is paid commission differently to each level in the hierarchy. So, each product has a rates table, which is set up for each level, with the higher levels getting paid as much or more than the lower ones. The rates can be based on a percentage of the premium, as demonstrated on this health product. Note that the difference between each level would be the spread of the higher level. The rates can also be a fixed amount, as demonstrated on this product. Finally, there are some standardized setup considerations for Medicare products. We can discuss that in more detail as needed. Above is simply how the system comes as is. Keep in mind that our IT team can practically create procedures to accommodate any way you want to pay your producers. Next, let's build the team. APL is also designed as a complete agency management system. It has every feature your company needs to manage and grow your sales force. To process commission, the minimal information required for each agent is relatively simple. You'll need an agent ID, preferably the NPN, the agent's name, the agent's contract so that we know how to pay the agent, and agent's manager so that we know who to pay the override commissions to. Here is a brief description of each of the features available in the agent's module. In the agent profile, you can fetch and review all the commission statements issued to this agent. You can keep a record of the agent's license information for each state, and all the appointments from various carriers. Under the Ledgers tab, you can review the commission payments history. You can keep an internal record of all communications and notes about this agent. And lastly, you can keep all electronic documents of this agent, such as her W-9, her marketing agreement, etc., in one place under eDocs. Now you have a team with a clearly defined hierarchy. We are ready to process commission. In APL, commissions are processed in periodical cycles, such as weekly or monthly. They are usually synchronized with the carrier statements. These cycles are further divided into new business cycles and renewal cycles. Normally, advance commissions, if any, are processed in the new business cycle, and the commission paid in the new business cycle creates a debit balance for the agent. Renewal cycle processes the earned commissions, which pays down the debit balance and pays out any earned commissions. The processes of either cycle are almost exactly the same as outlined by this flowchart. To start either cycle, we first bring the policies and transactions into the system. This is normally done by importing the carrier statements into APL. APL has a standard template for this task. Our IT team can create a procedure for you to import the carrier statements in their original format as long as they are an Excel file. Of course, you can also manually add the policies if there are only a few. After importing the carrier statements, we should have the policies we need to process commission for. We would know the policy number and the policy holder, as well as the writing agent for the policy and the premium, based on which the commissions are calculated. With all the policies in place, now we can calculate commission. Let's take a look at one policy and see how this works. As you can see, the premium is $100. The producer's commission rate is 30%. Therefore, the personal commission for the writing agent is $30. She is advanced 3 months of commission, which makes the gross amount $90. Her upline override commissions for the manager and the agency are calculated similarly. Let's calculate the commission for all the policies in this cycle. This process creates a commission audit. The commission audit screen explains the commission for every policy and every agent involved in detail. This is the step that requires the most attention during the entire process. Every report of a commission cycle is generated based on the commission audit. Review it carefully. You can add additional commission, change the commission amount, or delete commission that should not be paid. Make sure it's perfect before proceeding to create the ledger. Next, we summarize the commission audit into a ledger. Every agent with any activities in the current commission cycle will have a ledger record. With the ledger, we now know exactly how much net commission each agent will receive. With available funds for each agent, we can also take care of any open chargebacks, miscellaneous charges, personal loans, etc., using the net commission. The ledger also accounts for any changes in debit balances and year-to-date 1099 information. Accounting now submits the ledger to management for additional actions or final approval of the commission payroll. Once management approves the payroll, accounting can create the ACH file directly from APL. This ACH file can then be sent to the bank for direct deposit processing. The next step is to post statements online for the agents. Optionally, an email will be sent to the agents, and they can log into their portal to fetch the statements in both PDF and Excel file formats. And of course, you can print a copy of the statements in reports. Finally, we close the commission cycle and get ready for the next one. We hope that this demo has given you an idea of how APL commission accounting works in general. We understand that you may have many more questions, and we are eager to have a chance to discuss them with you. Please visit our website, www.apl123.com. There you can find more information, including the other products that help with managing the agency, the SaaS options, as well as pricing of the licenses and services we offer. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to hearing from you soon.